Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing great today, and I really appreciate you taking your time to be here again for another real trading session. This is not just another video. This is part of a real journey where we are showing you how a small account can grow step by step using a structured and automated system. Before we begin, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and press the notification bell so you never miss any update from this challenge, because every single day we are uploading real results, real executions, and real progress. If you are serious about learning something practical, then staying connected is very important. So guys, today we are trading on DBot platform on Deriv, and yes, we have strong experience working with the system. We have tested different setups, improved our strategies, and now we're showing you everything in a transparent way so you can understand how it actually works in real conditions. This is Challenge Day 4, and I welcome all of you to this journey. If you have been following from day one, then you already know how we started with $100 and how we are growing step by step without taking unnecessary risks. Today we are starting with approximately $196, and this is because on day 3 we grew the account from $100 up to around $196. This is what consistency looks like. Controlled growth, not gambling, not random trades, but a system that follows rules. And today, our goal is simple. We continue the same process and grow the account further, step by step. Now understand this clearly. If we are able to grow this account consistently, then it shows that with the right system, proper risk management, and discipline, it is possible to build something stable over time. If you're interested in starting or learning the system, you can message us directly on WhatsApp, and if WhatsApp is not available in your country, then you can contact us on Telegram. We respond quickly and guide you properly so you don't make beginner mistakes. Now, let's talk about something important. Right now, the world is not stable because of wars, economic pressure, and rising costs. Depending only on one source of income is becoming risky, and that is why it is important to have another way to earn. Trading, when done properly, can become one of those options, but manual trading is difficult for most people. People lose because of emotions. Greed makes them enter at the wrong time. Fear makes them exit too early, and impatience leads to overtrading. But here, everything is automated. There is no emotional decision, no panic, no random execution. The system follows logic. It follows rules, and that is what creates consistency. Also remember, this is not our first challenge. We already completed a challenge where we turned $5,000 into $20,000. And yes, we made withdrawals as well. You can watch that full proof on our YouTube channel. Everything is available there. Now let's start today's session. As you can see, our bot is ready. But before starting, we always follow a proper process. First, we check predictions. We analyze the market conditions. And then we move to Deriv DBot to start the bot with our setup. We select volatility 50 ones, and then we apply our settings based on our tested strategy. As you can see, our stop loss is approximately $30, and our take profit is around $50. Everything is calculated, nothing is random, and we are using this market because we already analyzed it before. And now, as you can clearly see, the bot is running. Trades are executing automatically, and this is where the real power of automation comes in. Now, let me share something important with you. Success does not come from watching. It comes from taking action. Many people keep watching videos, keep learning, but never start, and that is why they remain stuck in the same place. If you really want to change your situation, you need to take action at the right time. You don't need to know everything to start. You just need the right system and the right guidance. Think about your current situation. If you are not satisfied, then continuing the same routine will not change anything. You need a new approach, a new opportunity, and this can be one of those opportunities if you take it seriously. Consistency is more important than speed. You don't need to double your money in one day. You need to grow step by step, because slow and stable growth is what lasts. People waste years trying random strategies, jumping from one method to another, but here you are seeing a structured system with real execution. Now let's announce today's results. Our bot executed 117 trades. Out of these, 108 trades were won, and only 9 trades were lost. And we made around $50 from just $196. This clearly shows how a structured automated system performs when applied correctly. And remember, this is just challenge day 4. As our balance increases, our earning potential also increases. But the process remains the same, disciplined and controlled. Challenge day 4 completed, and we made profit. And as you can see, we are trading on a real account. The bot is still running. This is not a demo. This is real execution. Our bot works through API integration, which helps control trades and prevents multiple consecutive losses. And that is why the system remains stable. Now the decision is yours. If you are serious, if you want to build something step by step, then take action now. Get the bot, start your journey, and message us on WhatsApp or Telegram. We will guide you properly. And once again, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and press the notification bell. We will continue this journey together,